What's up, guys? Stalling a homie here, and this one is part 2 of my first AR-15 in 1911 style guns video. So this it's fairly simple. It's not going to be too long. Probably going to be like 2 minutes, minute and a half. Not that long. So this one got the Browning high power style pistol. It's not. It's kind of it's extremely simple actually. It's really not that much. It's kind of just slanted pieces to signify the grip and a little shell to slide. Does not. That's new. It's never done this before. Yep, and there it goes. I was like, oh yeah, it's never done this before, and I see why. Is it? I heard something fly. I don't know what. Ah, the forward sights are gone. So we're gonna improvise and do something simple like we're not gonna use this. It's too blocky. I'll probably use that for like some kind of like unfunctional night vision type thing, where it's literally just green and that's it. Alright, let's try this. Hasn't done that before. Huh. So it does that, but it's not good when it does that. So I gotta instantly take it out of that. And this. This is a Browning high power style rifle. Rifle. Dude, I keep doing that. I realized I did that in my last video. I meant Browning high power style pistol. So this is all it is. Not too great of a mag, kind of small. Yeah, that's it. Not much to say about it. Oh, attachments. Like always, I always gotta put attachments on my gun. I have this little muzzle brake type piece. There's a little peg, well, little hole. Put the peg in there. Got a muzzle brake. And the reflex sight can also go on there, just like the AR-15 style rifle. It can just fit wants to. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there we go. And that's all you got with it. You got all buttons, all that. You can see through it. It's completely transparent. Yeah, that's just about it. Oh boy. That's about it. I'm going to try and post a little more. I can show you my Lego cars if you want. I have like big old Technic cars about the size of my torso. For that, we're gonna have to move stuff though. Just give me a second. Put my pistol away. Okay, there's the place. Put the pistol away. We'll go with the smallest first. This one. Gotta move this. This one's kind of tiny. So just keep this thought in your head. This is pretty much gauged to the pistol. This is almost the size of it. And the pistol's like actually life-sized. It's bigger than the pistol. I got decently sized hands. Yeah. But oh boy. Okay. So you turn the knob. Wheels turn. When you move, look back here. Engine moves. It's got working doors. That's about it. It's a McLaren Senna GTR. Alright, let's move this one out the way. And let's get the second biggest one. This one might not fit on the desk. Oh, just barely. I'm gonna move the camera though. This one also moves when it moves. This one has a better engine than the last. Once again, working doors. This one has, when you turn back here, there's a little gear that you turn. That also turns the wheels. And these are the internals. Back here, this is a really cool thing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to it. I have to get to it from the other side. Open this side. And there's, go from back here. This little handle back here, you pull it. There it is. Yeah. Hold up. Just popped a piece. And there we go. These are ones that I've actually like commercially bought. There's this little thing that holds it up. Right here. And I can drive with it. All you gotta do is push this back, up, and then there we go. It's a really nicely built one. The Senna was also a really nicely built one. This has gotta be one of, if not my favorites, Lego builds that I've ever done before. Besides my guns, because, you know, guns are like my holy grail. Alright, let's put this away. And let's get this one. Oh, this one is, yeah. This one's the biggest one. I don't know if it's gonna fit on camera. I have to move this up a little bit. Oh, let's move this. This is wooden, by the way. This isn't real. Not real. It's just wooden. I built that. This one's collecting a lot of dust. First off, so engine's in the back. Working doors. You could swap out the light color anytime you want. I have little pieces like this, but I have pieces like this, but it's tinted. So there are light kits for each and every one of these car sets, which is really cool. There's the front right here. Closed doors. Oh, this one is really cool. You turn the wheel on this one, the wheels turn. Unlike the little gear on the back, like the normal ones. Let's move this. Yeah. Let's take this, move it around. It's got a really nice back. Like, oh, by the way, this is Lego Porsche. It's Porsche RSR. I know that. I forgot that. I think it's literally just the Porsche RSR. But yeah, that's this. Oh, one more thing. So these two little handles right here. Flip this up. We got the engine.